principal sir, all the teachers and my lovely friends. A warm welcome to all of you. I, Dipansh, and I am hosting today's morning assembly. Poem is a form of expression, so I would like to invite Riya and Paridhi for poem. Hello friends, my name is Riya. I read in second class. I want to recite a poem. बड़ी सलोनी मेरी चिड़िया मुझको रोज जगाती है, सूरज के उगने से पहले रोज सुबह उठ जाती है। छोटी सी है लेकिन वे खूब परिश्रम करती है, आलस कभी नहीं करना तुम, यही संदेश सुनाती है। थैंक यू, हैव अ नाइस डे। हेलो फ्रेंड्स, हाउ आर यू? Okay, my name is Paridhi. I read in first class. I want to recite a poem. हम बच्चे हंसते गाते हैं, हम आगे बढ़ते जाते हैं, पथ पर बिखरे कांटे कंकड़ हम चुन चुन दूर हटाते हैं। आए कितनी भी बाधाएं हम कभी नहीं घबराते हैं, धन दौलत से ऊपर उठकर सपनों के महल बनाते हैं। हम खुशी बांटते दुनिया को, हम हंसते और हंसाते हैं। थैंक यू, हैव अ नाइस डे। Important role in our life. So I would like to invite Payal and Arav for GK questions. My name is Miss Payal. I am reading second class. I want to ask some GK questions. What is our national tree? Right answer, banyan tree. What is our national song? Right answer, Vande Mataram. What is our national vegetable? Okay. My name is Arav. I read in first class. I want to ask some GK question. Which animal likes honey? Right answer. Which animal gives us wool? Right answer. How many weeks are there in a year? Right answer. Thank you. One teacher, one book, one pen, change the world. So I would like to invite LKG and UKG class students with rhyming activity. My name is Tux. I read in UKG class. I want to recite a poem. Teddy bear, touch around. Teddy bear, touch the ground. Teddy bear, polish your shoes. Teddy bear, go to school. Thank you, have a nice day. My name is Miss Divyanshi. She's my friend Purvi. We want to recite a poem. Clap your hands, clap your hands. Listen to the music and clap your hands. Jump your feet, stop your feet. Listen to the music and stomp your feet. Jump around, turn around. Listen to the music and turn around. Jump up high. Listen to the music and jump up high. Clap your hands, clap your hands. Listen to the music and clap your hands. Thank you. I am Madhusudan. I read in first class. I want to recite a poem. White shape on a blue hill. When the wind blows, you are away slow. White shape, where do you go? Thank you. My name is Aisha. I read in UKG class. I want to recite a poem. Two little hands to clap, clap, clap. Two little legs go tap, tap, tap. Two little eyes are open wide. One little head goes side to side. Thank you. Nice day. Change you wish to see in the world. Change your thoughts and you change your world. Thank you for patience. Have a nice day. Thank you.